Hello guys, if you wanna learn something professional on website or WordPress development designing, then you are on the right channel. Hello guys, I'm Noman and you are watching nomancube.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful chord effect and all these three chords have different animation. I have used custom CSS because WordPress does not allow you, Elementor does not allow you to do so. So watch the video till end because I have done this in steps, so do not miss any step. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you have subscribed for amazing content and videos. Thank you. Let's start the tutorial. See, I have opened my page with Elementor, so I'm clicking this plus icon and I'm selecting this three column structure, and in this page I'm selecting its height to minimum height and giving it height to 800 pixels, and I'm go to style tab and I'm changing its background color a little bit darker one, so I'm selecting, and here we go. I think this is small and that's perfect. Click on this plus icon and drag an inner section in the middle column. Now delete one inner column by right clicking on it, and click on this plus icon and drag an icon widget in the middle column. Now change its icon to Facebook. You see Facebook. I'm selecting this one and insert. Change its link. I'm just pasting your hash for now. You can change it with your one. Go to style tab and change its color to pure white, and I'm changing its size to 80 pixel, and go to advanced tab, change its background color, making it like fist we have seen. Everybody know Facebook has a blue color. Okay, I'm making its blue color to this one. This one. Now in advanced, I'm giving its padding to 66 pixels. Now that's perfect. Now duplicate this inner section. Right click on it and duplicate it, and after that delete this icon, and I'm clicking on this plus icon, and I'm dragging here icon list, search for icon list, and drag this inside, and I'm changing its headings to this icon, change this link to hash for now. Okay, delete this icon and selecting here group group, and the link will be hash, and the third one deleting this icon, and text will be news FWD feed, and I'm selecting its link as hash, and after that go to style tab, change its color, text color to pure black, and I'm changing its advance and changing its padding to 66 as we have changed the first one. Change its background color to pure white. Here we have background color to pure white. Now I'm giving this border. Actually we don't need any border, I'm just making this shadow. So here we have shadow. Now click on this hole and I'm making this shadow on hole a little bit downward, converting it. So here we go. After that you will need to assign these things IDs, CSS ID, so all these things work perfectly. And click on this links, social lists, icon list. Click on this and go to its advanced and give it a class link, link gives. This class is same as I have given. Okay, that will not work if you will change its CSS class. Okay, now click on this Facebook and give it class to logo. Okay, logo. Now click on this outer column, go to its advanced tab and custom CSS. Now I will put this custom CSS in the description. You can copy from there, so don't worry about that. sure you have watched till end. Okay. Noman. Okay. For this Noman, I'll put these three custom CSS in the description, so don't worry. Paste. You can see this beautiful effect, and this is perfectly working. But I wanna change a little bit, so I have to remove this one because this is not what it. I have to go there, and copy this middle one, copy it and paste it there. And I think, oh shit, I'm making wrong decisions. Delete it. I have to go again in my text editor. This one is for me. So copy this one and paste it there. Now you can see it's working perfectly. Now duplicate it by clicking on this and duplicate. And after that, this is duplicated. Now delete this empty column. And also this one. Now changes. I can do Instagram. And Instagram. After that, because I have changed this background color. So click on the Elementor background and we change this background to gradient one, and this is not too much, so I will change this gradient to gradient. That's perfect. Now click on this one, and I want to change this icon to WhatsApp, WHAT WhatsApp. Click on this and insert, and change its background to green because WhatsApp has a green background, and it will be green like that, and a little bit darker one, and that's it. Now click on this icon here, go to custom CSS tab and remove this, and after that I will show you this one. I think this one, copy it and paste it there. You can see, and again delete this one is copy it and this this paste it there. You can see, click on this one, advanced app, custom CSS, and go to this Noman and copy this. I will put this in description, don't worry about that. And remove this one, delete, and paste it there, and I think it's working perfectly. Next, update this. Click on this blue icon, and here you can see this beautiful card, and it's looking amazing. Yes,